people buying a cage for the Sony A7 V think protection and mounting are the main wins. The real difference lives in how the 3-point locking system holds everything still while you shoot, and that is where the SmallRig A7 V kit separates itself from a bare cage. You know that moment when you are walking and shooting handheld, the HDMI cable catches on your bag, and the whole rig twists just enough that the image jitters? That is the second you stop trusting your setup and start rethinking every connection. The cable clamp for HDMI. Here is what changes that feeling. This is a cage kit built for one job, turning the Sony A7 V, A7R V, and A7I V into a stable handheld platform that stays protected and ready for accessories. It does not try to be a gimbal, a stabilizer, or a wireless transmitter. It is a cage, a top handle, a side handle, and a cable clamp, nothing more. The cage uses a 3-point locking system for secure mounting without deflection. Built-in pads offer comprehensive protection and prevent scratches, while precision cutouts ensure unobstructed access to camera ports, dials, buttons, and the battery compartment. After 20 minutes in your hands, the weight settles across your grip instead of pressing into one spot, and the cage stays put when you torque the mounting screw. The handles kit with cable clamp for HDMI means the side handle features silicone cushioning for comfortable and stable handling, while the top handle facilitates smooth camera movement for effortless low-angle shots. The cable clamp secures cable connection for stable data transmission. The silicone on the side handle warms under your palm instead of staying cold, and the top handle moves with a little resistance that feels deliberate rather than stiff. Here's who this is not for. Anyone running a full cinema rig with matte boxes, follow focus motors, and heavy lenses all bolted at once. That setup needs a cage with more rail spacing and stiffer construction than the multiple mounting points here can guarantee. If your actual problem is shaky handheld footage and cables that pull loose, the limitation does not matter, and you are not paying for capability you will never use. This is the kind of product that rewards the person who measures twice before buying. The magnetic Allen wrench at the base stays put until you need it, and the QD socket for shoulder straps means you are not hunting for a separate strap mount. Reading the manufacturer listing, the spec that matters first is the 3-point locking system and what it implies about deflection. That figure suggests the cage is meant for accessories, not for absorbing the torque of a full cinema build, which is exactly what the precautions section warns about. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the